We'll often receive base plan information in different formats. A relatively unusual format you see in front of you here, where base plan is being given using surveyor's nomenclature. If I zoom in a little on the scanned image of one of these sorts of base plans, can you see there's notation such as 15.18, that'll be the distance in meters across this allotment, and then 89 degrees 24 minutes and 30 seconds is what's called a bearing. Now AutoCAD and gCADPlus allow you to enter in those distances and bearings, and that's what I've done on the right hand side over here. So if I wanted to recreate this boundary, I change my drawing colour to magenta. I can start the line command. You can start at any arbitrary position in this case, but I'll snap to the end of the existing line where I ran this before in rehearsal, and now my line command has started. So I type the @ sign because we're going to use relative distances. The distance 54.01. Use the angle sign. North is the bearing, 0 degrees, so 0 and then a D, then 05 minutes. There are no seconds in this, and then it's in the easterly direction. And I hope you can see that the magenta line lies right over the top. I could then carry on at 15.18, angle north, 89 for degrees 24 minutes. This time we need 9 seconds, and then E, and the magenta line goes. So we can run around and create our base plan using these sorts of dimensions. We've got some information on the plan here, 1.67 meters and then 2.46 meters off from the left and right boundaries. There's one important step that you need to take, and that is to go to Format. We're going to work this way. Drawing units, you need to change the angular type to surveyor's units. That allows you to put in that north and east notation. I'll cancel from there. We'll put this movie and this information up on our website. Just search for bearing. This is entering base information using distance and bearing. It's commonly done in the AutoCAD world, and I've put references to a number of web pages where this is discussed in some considerable detail. So I hope that helps if you have a base plan that uses this sort of notation. We can't scale the image up as we've done in the past and put that behind our magenta lines and then just trace over the building, because I think you can see by the lines at the top here, this has just been taken with a mobile phone and isn't flat and isn't a top view. If you wanted to use and get the footprint of the building, you'd scan this base surveyor information more with a more accurate scanner.